Okay, and if you're having problems with strings ringing through while you're playing that, if it sounds kind of jangly, like, and things are just kind of bleeding through all the time, here's what I'm doing. I'm hitting the chord. If you see my hand kind of bouncing a lot, I'm muting. So you can mute with just the right hand. You could get through the whole piece if muting is an issue for you, and it is challenging. Just try to kill the strings with the right hand. So I'm putting my palm down. That's what's preventing it from ringing through all the time. So if for right now you just want to work on the muting of the right hand, that would be enough. See how I'm kind of, that kind of thing? It's kind of that. With the left hand, if you want to start trying to work on some of that, notice this bouncing thing I'm doing. So by taking the fingers off of the strings with the left hand, you're helping to facilitate that mute, so you can clean it up even more. But I could play the whole piece just muting the right hand. I just realized when I was playing at that time how much muting I was doing, and I didn't talk about that at first. So I'll just mute with the right hand. So see, I'm not doing that bounce thing. I just do that automatically because I've just gotten used to muting the strings a bunch. So work on just the right hand mute, and when you get comfortable, work on the left hand, working it in with the right hand. Now, notice too, at the end of the piece, you've got this G7 that comes in. So we do this thing. Now we have that chord. So we're taking our G chord and we're bringing in a flat 7. So this is a flat 7 on the 4th string. So, and notice how it makes that chord want to move. It causes some instability, which is a pretty common thing when you put flat 7s on a chord. It wants to keep going, but it's a signature sound in blues and jazz. But work on that last transition. That's why I put it at the end. So you have to get that. It's a bar, and then my second finger's on the 3rd string. So I'm barring with the 1st finger. Everything for these lessons, the PDFs and the backing tracks you can find on the website for this Grab a Fast 4 chord. So what you'll get is the tablature. You'll get the backing tracks at 3 tempos with me playing and without me playing. So you can use me as a reference point, and then you can play on your own without me, experiment with dynamics, where to hit hard, where to soften it up, because that's all stuff that you're going to need live and in the studio anyway. So everything for these 2 lessons will be in the library. And if you have any questions, shoot me an email, and I'll catch you next time.